God Almighty.
Sorry.
It's like they changed the cut.
Yes.
Before it used to be in upstairs.
A third floor, yes.
Okay, this is so much better. Thank you. Where would you sit? Yeah? Anywhere? After how many months? Well, I can't even count. Let me just say this. You see, in life, there are certain situations that test your faith in your country, and these two cases were one of them. But I give God the gratitude and the deep appreciation to the good people of Nigeria, Kogi State, and especially Kogi Central, for their stand with me through this ordeal. And the withdrawal of these two federal government cases against me only proves what we've always known, that these cases were maliciously instigated by two individuals who misused power to their advantage, in which hunting an innocent person, which is myself. But I'd like to extend a sincere appreciation to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for having been briefed the truth, and in his commitment to justice, ordered the discontinuance of the two cases. So finally, I appreciate my husband, my beloved husband. Thank you so much, my love. Come forward. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Even when I didn't believe in things, you did. You stood for me. Thank you. My team, my party, my staff, everybody. In short, I can't even begin to mention the people. Thank you all so much. I have never doubted that Nigeria is a land of possibilities and that the truth somehow will always get one vindicated. So now I can actually rest and resume my work fully, because it's been a whole lot the past few months, no matter how strong and tough one is. For a person like me that has never been invited by the police for anything, does not have any financial case of financial embezzlement or drug abuse and nothing. I'm what one will actually say a good citizen of Nigeria. So to just be slammed simultaneously by two federal government cases, that was a whole lot. But they say whatever doesn't break you makes you stronger. I would say I'm actually toughened, but it's not something I would want to experience, and I wouldn't wish to anybody. But at the end of the day, I think justice prevailed. So thank you all, and God bless.
Have you forgiven those that were behind your deal?
I would like to mention for clarity that these cases do not form part of the cases the Senate President mentioned in court. And as of today, he has not instructed his lawyers to discontinue the several cases that he and his wife initiated. So let's end it at that. Thank you. Thank you.
Tẹ̀lé jọlọ. Yà dọ̀nù, òun nìkan náà làwọn bá